Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download project templates from Asana for marketing teams, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the search bar at the top of the dashboard. Type project templates into the search bar. Press the enter key to initiate the search. On the results page, look for the templates section. Browse through the available templates to find one suited for your marketing team. Click on the template that interests you to view more details. Review the template description and features to confirm it meets your needs. Once satisfied, click on the Use Template button. Asana will prompt you to select a workspace for your new project. Choose the appropriate workspace from the drop-down menu. Next, provide a name for your project in the dialog box. You can also adjust any other settings specified in the template setup. Once finished, click on the Create Project button. Your new project will now be created using the selected template. You can begin customizing it to fit your specific marketing requirements. If necessary, invite other team members to collaborate on the project. Use the options available to assign tasks and set deadlines. Regularly update the project as tasks progress and new information is available. Monitor your team's collaboration and adjust the project as needed to ensure a smooth workflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.